Good morning everyone. Let us revise the previous class. In a previous class we have learned the exponent. What is the definition of exponent? The multiplying a number into itself. It's called the exponent. Okay. It can be written as a power n. The exponent form of a power n is a into a up to n times. Okay. How do you read this? A raised to the power of n. How do you read? A raised to the power of n. We have learned some laws also. First law is product law, and second one quotient law, power rule or law. Okay, and then product of base with same power, okay, right. So product rule, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n, and then quotient rule, a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So power rule, a power m, the whole power n is equal to a power mn, and then same power means a, the product of a b, the whole power m is equal to a power m into b power m. Okay, today we are going to learn the negative exponents. So negative exponent mean, for example, reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. Reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. It can be written in the exponent form as form 5 power minus 1. 5 power minus 1 in exponent. It can be written in the exponential form, exponential form or exponent form as 5 power minus 1. Okay, it is called the negative exponent. It is called the negative exponent. In general, if a is any non-zero rational number, so in general, if a is any non-zero rational number and m is any positive integer, then one by a power m is equal to a power minus m. This is called the negative exponent. Okay, now see the example problems. First example 1. So evaluate the following. First one, 2 power minus 5. One of the negative exponent is given. And B problem, 3 by 8, the whole power minus 4 is given. Okay. So write in positive value. 2 power minus 5 can be written as 1 by 2 power 5. 1 by 2 power 5. 1 by 2 power 5. That's meaning is 1 by 2 evaluate. So write in the value, expanded value. So 2 multiplicated how many times? 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 1 by 2 2s are 4, 4. So 4 into 4 into 2 equal to 1 by 4 4s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 16 2s are 32. So the value of the negative value of 2 power minus 5 is equal to 1 by 32. Okay. And next one, B value. B1, 3 by 8 the whole power minus 4 is given. Okay. So it can return as 1 by 3 by 8, is it? The whole power of 4. So write in the reciprocal 8 by 3 the whole power 4. 8 by 3 the whole power 4. Okay. Now write in the expanded form 8 multiplied at 4 times and 3 also multiplied at 4 times. Okay, 8 8s are 64, 8 8s are 64. So 64 64s are 64 64s are. Here 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So 9 into 9. So now multiply the numerator. 64 64s are. 4 4s are 16, 1, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1 25. Okay, 6 4s are 24. 2, 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 2 38, 6 9 0 4. So 4096. 9 9s are 81. That's all. Okay. So the value of negative value of the exponent 3 by 8 the whole power minus 4 is 4096 divided by 81. Okay. Now see the example 2. First subdivision 3 power 4 into 3 power minus 2. Okay. B minus 2 by 5 the whole power of minus 4 into minus 2 by 5 the whole power minus 2 is equal to, here also given, is equal to 3 power 4 plus minus 2. Okay, here also prove, verify the following, minus 2 by 5 the whole power minus 4 plus minus 2 is given. Okay, see here the first one, the product rule follow in this place. Okay, what is the product rule? A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Here apply that rule. Okay, so 3 power 4 into 3 power minus 2, the bases are same, the power will be added. So 3 power 4 plus m value plus, what is the n value here? Minus 2. Okay, that's all. You should write the product rule in this place. Okay, that's it. And next to see, here also the same base values, minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5. In between of these two numbers, it has the product rule. Product is given. So here also we have follow the product rule. So minus 2 by 5 the whole power minus 4 into minus 2 by 5 the whole power minus 2 is equal to, so bases are same. Okay, so write minus 2 by 5 power will be added. What is the power? Minus 4 plus minus 2. Here write the product rule. Here m value is, what is the m value? Minus 4. Okay. So a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Here m is equal to minus 4, n is equal to 2. Here m is equal to 4, n is equal to minus 2. That's it. Okay. Now see the example 3. Verify the following. Verify the following. First one, six power 7 divided 6 power minus 2 is equal to 6 power 7 minus 2. Okay. And B, minus 1 by 4 the whole power minus 3 divided minus 1 by 4 the whole power minus 4 is equal to minus 1 by 4 the whole power minus 3 plus 4. See another one of the method. Okay, they are both having this same question. Example 2 also verify the following. Here also example 3 also verify following. That is apply the rules. Here not apply the rules. Apply the rule in negative rules only. Apply here. Okay. Negative rules only apply in here. Okay. So let us consider the left hand side. 6 power 7 divided by 6 power minus 2. Okay. So write 6 power 7 divide 6 power minus 2 can return as 1 by 6 of power 2. Okay. Negative exponent change to the positive. Okay. And next write 6 power 7. So it write in the division. So change to multiplication, write in the reciprocal of 6 power 2. Division sign is given, change the sign after write in the reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by 6 square? 6 square. 1 by 6 square reciprocal is 6 square. Okay. And then now write in the exponent. What we prove here? 6 power 7 minus of minus 2. Minus of minus 2. So 6 power 7 plus 2. So product rule apply in this place. 6 power 7 into 6 power minus 2. Minus 2. We want to prove in this place. What do you prove? 6 power 7 minus of minus 2. So in this place we can write 6 power 7 minus into minus 2. That's meaning minus into minus will be changed positive. So we have proved the result in this method. So we have proved 6 power 7 minus of minus 2. It is verified. Here write product rule. Okay. What is the product rule? A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Okay. And second problem B, we have considered the left hand side. Left hand side is 1 minus 1 by 4 the whole power minus 3 divided by minus 1 by 4 minus 4. So negative exponents are given, write in the positive value. So minus 3. So 1 divided by minus 1 by 4 the whole power of 3 divide minus 1 divided by 1 by minus 1 by 4 the whole power 4. Write in the reciprocal. Write in the reciprocal. That is a negative exponent. So what is the negative exponent of minus 1 by 4 the whole power minus 3? 1 by minus 1 by 4 the whole power 3 divided by 1 by minus 1 by 4 the whole power 4. Now division symbol. So change the division symbol to multiplication. So 1 by minus 1 by 4 the whole power 3 into multiplication. Now write in the reciprocal. So what is the value? Minus 1 by 4 the whole power of 4 minus 1 by 4 the whole power of 4. Okay, reciprocal of 1 by 1 is minus 1 by 4 the whole power 4. Now it cancel. What we get? It's also write in the form of minus 1 by 4 minus 3. So 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4 can written in the negative form of minus 1 by 4. What is the negative form? Minus 3. Move to the reciprocal. Minus 3 and then it can already here minus 1 by 4 the whole power 4 is there. Now bases are same. Product rule we have applied in this place. So 1 by 4 minus 3 plus 4. So hence verified. Hence verified. This is another one of the method. You have followed any one of the evaluation method. Okay. So example 2 or example 3 method. Your wishes. Okay. Now move to the example 4. Verify the following. Example 4. First one 1 by 3 the whole power of 5 power of minus 2. Verify the following. 1 by 3 whole power 5 into minus 2. Okay. So prove panano. Okay. So first one we have considered the left hand side. So 1 by 3 the whole power 5 the whole power minus 2. It's given in exponent, negative exponent is given. So we can write 1 by 3 the whole power 5 the whole power of 2 whole power of 2. And next you can write 1 by 3 power will be multiplied. So 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Here we want to prove the 5 into minus 2. So we have write 1 by 3 the whole power, write in the negative exponent. What is the negative exponent here? Minus 10. Okay. So it can written as 1 by 3 the whole power of minus 10 written as 5 into minus 2. Hence verified. Okay. Now say the B option. Power of minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 12 power of minus 2 into minus 3. Solution. So let you have considered the left hand side. 12 power minus 2 the whole power minus 2 negative exponent. So we can write 1 by 12 power minus 2 the whole power 3. Now multiplying the powers. So 1 by 12 power minus 6. It can written as 12 power of 6. We have need to write in the form of 12 power minus 2 into minus 3. So 12 power minus 2 into minus 3. So minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6. Hence verified. And next see the example 5. Example 5. Verify the following. The first option, 2 into 3 power of minus 3 is equal to 2 power minus 3 into 3 power minus 3. So solution, first consider the left hand side. So 2 into 3 power minus 3 is equal to, negative exponent is given, so I want to write 2 into 3 power of 3. So it can written as 1 by 2 power 3 into 1 by 3 power 3. Okay. Now write the negative exponent for this one. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 2 power 3? 2 power minus 3. Here 3 power. Hence proved. Hence verified. And B1, minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4, the whole power of minus 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2 the whole power of minus 4 into 3 by 4 of minus 4. Okay. So as usual we have considered the left hand side and to the right hand side. Okay. So now consider left hand side, minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4, the power of minus 4 is equal to negative exponent. It write in the reciprocal 1 by minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4, the whole power of 4. Okay. Now write in the expanded form of 1 by minus 1 by 2 the whole power 4 into 3 by 4 the whole power 4. So now write in the reciprocal. Now write the reciprocal. So first one, minus 1 by 2 the whole power 4 can written as minus 4. Okay. And then 3 by 4 the whole power minus 4. Hence here write reciprocal, negative exponent. Okay. Now see the example 6. If 2 by 3 is divided by x, so one fraction divided by x, then the quotient is 2 by 3 the whole power minus 5. What is the value of x? So what is given? The fraction divided by x, the number 2 divided by 3 is divided, division symbol, by which number? X. That we have find out that unknown number x equal to, then the quotient. So quotient is given, quotient 2 by 3 the whole power minus 5. What is that value? What is the value? So 2 by 3 divided by x equal to 2 by 3 the whole power of minus 5 is there. Here we find out the value of x only. So move to this side, this one come to this side. Okay. So 2 by 3 divided by 2 by 3 the whole power of minus 5 is equal to x. Okay. So x can written like this. Okay. 2 by 3 divided by x equal to 2 by 3 the whole power of minus 5. Here you want to find out the value of x. Okay. So we have moved to this side, division move to this side, multiplication. So x here 2 by 3 the negative exponent of minus 5 move to the denominator, move to the denominator. Now write 2 by 3 write in the numerator negative exponents of 5 is equal to x. So here the bases are same, we have applied the product rule. So 2 by 3 the whole power, here the power value is 1. So power will be added in the product rule. So 1 plus 5 is equal to x. So 2 by 3 the whole power 6 equal to x. Okay, so the number, thus the number is 2 by 3 the whole power 6. Okay, and example, seven. What should 3 power minus 6 be multiplied by the get 3 power 4? Okay. What should be multiplied? What should be multiplied? So multiplying number be x. Let x be the multiplying number. Okay, and find the number. Okay, we get the 3 power 4. We get the multiplied by, we get 3 power 4 value, we get it. So write x be the multiplying the number. So 3 power minus 6. 3 power minus 6 should be multiplied. Multiplying the number x is equal to, we get the value 3 power 4. We get the value. What is given? A number should multiply with 3 power minus 6. We get the value of 3 power 4 is given. Okay. So now find out the value of x. X is equal to 3 power 4 multiplication divided by 3 power minus 6. So division rule we have directly applied. 3 power 4 minus, formula already had a minus, and the value of n is also minus, so minus 6 equal to 3 power minus into minus plus, so 4 plus 6 equal to 3 power 10. 3 power 10. Okay, that is a x value. That is a x value. In between write quotient rule. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Carefully write in this place. Okay. So 3 power, the m value was 4. Already formula had a value minus. Okay. And the denominator value already power in minus sign. Okay. So minus into minus plus. 4 plus 6 equal to 3 power of 10. Okay. And next one. Next concept, scientific notation. Scientific notation, it is used very smallest value or very largest value, we have used the scientific notation. How can you notate this notation? A number is written as the product of a number and a power of 10. Product of a number and power of 10. See the example here. 4,56,738 is given. So it can written in the scientific notation. So 4, put the decimal point after write the remaining numbers. That's meaning multiplying. A number is written as the product of a number. So into, that is one of the number, into the product of a number and a power of 10. Can written the power of 10. Okay. So how many digit move it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So power 5. Power 5. Okay. And next one. Here 0.0013 is given. Okay. So first change to the fractional part in this one. How can you write? How many decimal point? 1, 2, 3. So 1.3 into 10 to the power of how many terms? 1, 2, 3. So the decimal point move forward and write in the minus, write in the negative sign. Now see the example. Example 8. So A 3.08 into 10 to the power of 5 is given. So write in the usual form. Write in the usual form. Usual form means 3.08 into 10 power 5. So added how many zeros? 5 zeros. How many zeros added? 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. And then here the decimal value is given. So decimal value can be written as 308 divided by 100. Okay, into so what is the value? 2 zeros only, cancel it. Okay, 3 zeros added. So answer is 3,08,000. 3,08,000. B1. So 5.455 into 10 power minus 4. 10 power minus 4. So minus 4 in division. So 5.455 into negative exponent 4 zeros. 10 power minus 4 written in the negative form of 1 by 10 power 4. So 1 by 10 power 4 can be written as 1 by 10,000. So how many zeros? 4 zeros. 4 zeros. So decimal point move backward. Okay. 5, 5, 4. Listen. How many digits move? 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So decimal point is here. In between put the zeros. So 5, 0, 0, 0. How many zeros? 3 zeros, and put decimal here. So the value of 5.455 into 1 by 10,000 is 0.00005455. Okay. And now example 9. Write the following in the standard form. This also write in the standard form. Okay, first one is wrongly given. Write the following in the scientific notation. Okay, scientific notation. Listen. 332. How many zeros? 2, 4. This is a given. Okay, so it can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 is 8. So 3.2 into 10 power of 8. Okay, 10 power of 8. We can write directly. So 1. Here start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So decimal point move it here. So 3.2 into 10 power 8 is a scientific notation for this one. Okay. And next one 0.0. How many zeros? 2, 4, 6, 8 zeros are given. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 189 is given. So decimal point move from the back side. So 1.89. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 1.89 into 10 to the power of minus 9. 10 to the power of minus 9. Okay. I hope you all understand the today concepts. Thank you, students.